Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chaure and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge, question number 72, number of islands. So I'm going to start questions of graph. If you go by similarity, trees question are relatively similar to linked list, whereas a graph question are relatively similar to DP. So as compared to trees, definitely graph questions are a bit on the tougher side, even for the mid-level questions. This is the solution and question. This is the space and time complexity which I get. I'm not betting on space complexity because graph, trees, all these linked list questions where you need to create the different node generally has the bad space complexity. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching the videos and I will post more videos.